Okay, y'all, ignore my ashy hands right now, because it's real cold out here. But my sister want to try this Krabby Patty meal from Wendy's. We're in Wendy's drive-thru right now. I told her we need to go to the Bikini Bottom to try this shit, because it just may not be right on Earth. But we in this drive-thru, we finna get it. So hold on, we'll be right back, okay? Okay, y'all, we got the fries. Get my burger up out of there. Okay, they all the same. So I got my fries right here, which I don't do regular fries, but oh shit. Okay, I thought the video had stopped, but here go the burger. Let me hear you, y'all. We ain't got that much time. Okay, hold on. Okay, they got a burger right there. Hold on, y'all. Hold on, TikTok. But it's a regular damn burger. 9 out of 10.